Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. And for breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Hey, tada! This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Golden Arrows 1. Baba Stall.
Yebo njani mphutisi?
Siyaphila njani mphutisi?
Hayi ukuzama.
Ukuzama. Ibone njani game namhlanje?
Hayi game ibera kakhulu. Angijobe izelana ziluzosupporta vele. iGolden Arrows.
Oh yeah.
Yebo.
So kumnandi ekhaya.
So kumnandi ekhaya. So khona ukuthi silale elokishini siphephile futhi.
Yeah.
Ngoba ngithi mangabe uzo e-stadium uyosupporta le team lo isupportayo fanele iwine. Ukuthi ukhona ukujabula.
Oh yeah.
Yebo. Ngiyibonga kakhulu. Ngiphinde ngiyibonga wabona i-midfielder kunomfana we-jersey number 41 uZwane. weGolden Arrows. Khona ngikubonile kuye. Akusi scout but ngisazokhuluma okuningi ngayo lo mfana. Khona ziningi izinto engizibonile kuye.
Sidala zokumletha kuPirates ngiyakwazi.
Yeah, fanele aze khona une athole ama chance ukuthi angene nase squadini. Yena the way adlale ngakhona umfana. Mina bengamfaka ku national team. The way aphusha ngakhona indoda ekwazi ukucontrol ibhola, iyakwazi ukuphasa ngesikhathi, yonke into ayenza 100%. So mina man of the match lo mfana vele ngamnika first half. Before 10 minutes bese ngimnikile i-man of the match. Kodwa nakhona abakhetha i-man of the match azange bangidisappoint ngoba shothi sibona ngokufana. Into right. Shothi into mangabe i-right, into engiyibonayo nomunye umuntu nalabakhethayo kushuthi ngamanye amagama sibona into ifanayo ngoba into mangabe i-right angeke uyishintshe.
Shothi uyisikho wena.
No, angisona isikho kodwa ngiyakwazi ukubona into e-right.
Okay.
Mabanganginika umsebenzi ngapha kuKhosi ku scout just ukuthi ngiba scoutela. Ngaba scoutela ama player right kakhulu. Just for ukuscout hayi ukuthi ngizosebenza. Yeah, just scouting. Ngibabonisa ama player bona bazohamba bayokhuluma nawo mina ngiba scoutela nje kuphela.
Kuphela nje.
Mahala. Yeah, mahala. Angifuni imali kuba, ngifuni lutho. Kodwa ngizobabongela nawo abafana abafowethu nabo omakhelwane. Yeah, nabo iplay yabo ayikho so bad. Kumele balungise lapho nalapho nje amaphutha alapho nalapho. Lo mfana uBatman bamlanisa wrong position. Lo mfana ucoach weChiefs kumele amfake ku number 10.
Number 10.
Ngoba akana speed, akana skill. So kodwa yena uyakwazi kuya phambili akamfake ku 10.
Yeah.
Athatha umuntu lo mfana lo just number 7. Lo bamsayine manje is a high quality. Yeah, is a quality. Noma kuChiefs into mangabe right.
Yeah.
Umfana uphili is a high quality player. Abamniki game time. Atha left winger yakhe. Then bathatha uBatman bamlalise ku 10.
Yeah.
Khona okuzovela. Then just number 47. weChiefs ubani konje uTuba. uTuba yena uright nge-second half ngoba njalo makangena second half uyakwazi ukuwashaya ama game. Shothi is a super sub. Ungamfaki first half. uTuba uright nge-second half bangamfaki first half. So abafowethu nawo ngiyabona at least iligi yethu izoba mnani ngoba competition ikhona. Nawo abafowethu khona abaza nako siyabona. Abasafana nala kade sibabona oma last. Khona okuzayo. So asibonge bhuti omdala.
Thank you so.
Nazo.
Thank you.
Yebo.